Hello everyone, I am back and I'm here to present to you how to fix a camera failed in a Samsung Android phone. Okay, because there are people who was asking me to fix their cameras on their phone, on their Android phone rather. That's why it's eager for me to have a video like this so I can present to everyone and to uh, everyone to know how to fix their cameras on their Samsung Android phone. Okay, so remember guys, I am not an expert in in a computer, or rather technician for a computer or any phones or Android phones. I'm just here to, it's just my simple solution rather. Okay, we will turn on the phone. Okay, wait. Okay, turn on the phone and we go to the application. Actually guys, my phone, my Android phone doesn't have any problems about the cameras, but I'm here to demonstrate to you how to fix the camera failed problem. Okay, and then we go to the settings. Okay, there it goes, the settings. We click the settings. We have to find the application manager. We go to general or the application and yan, we have to click the application manager here, and then we just have to wait and we go to all the applications. Okay, and then we have to find where is the camera. Okay, here is the camera. Actually, guys, I don't have any problem on my camera, but I'm just here to demonstrate. Okay, so we just click the force stop. Then it states here, if you force to stop an application, it may cause an errors. Okay, so I just click the OK. If you have a camera failed problem, okay, you just force to stop and then click the OK. And then after that, we have to go back. And we had to restart our mobile phone. Okay, wait guys. I'm sorry for the video. I'm just using my Android phone because I don't have a camera for making a video like this. Okay, so here it goes. We just click the restart. No, cancel. Restart. Yeah, here, then it stays here, cancel and the OK. We have to click OK, and we just wait until the phone restarted and turn it on. Okay, yan. As you can see, it already opened up the phone is already started, and we open it and we go to the application again and find the camera. Okay, here is the camera. Okay, as you can see, the phone is already okay. Your camera is already okay now, and it's already working. So I hope, guys, that I already taught you how to fix your camera failed Android phone. And thank you for viewing my videos. I hope that you like my videos, and please share it with your friends. If you do like my videos, subscribe on it on my channel. Thank you very much, guys, and God bless you all.